Hi there, Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to use the hour function in Excel 2016. First things first, let's try it out and see what we get in a cell. Equals hour, left parenthesis, and it will prompt us for a serial number. What does that mean? I'm going to put in 0.5 right now, and we get a return of 12. Alright, let's figure out why it gave us 12. So for the serial number, we have 4 common inputs. I can put in a formatted date, 6:08:18 p.m., just normal date. There's the date. I can put in 0.25, which if we go over here, we'll see a little example. 0.25 would be a quarter of the day past. So a quarter of the day past would land us at the 6th hour. 0.75 of the day past will lead us to the 18th hour. And 0.5 will lead us to the 12th hour. 1 will lead us to a 0 hour. Excel sees the day between 0 and 1. As time ticks, tenths of numbers are added to this number until we hit 1 at midnight. And also I can input a formatted date into the hour function. This will give me a 0 each and every time. I can also put in the full time. So 1/15/2018, 23:30. This will return to me 23, as it is the 23rd hour of the day. So I can put in equals hour now, and it will give us the 23rd hour. Over here, I have set up an example for us for the excellent bar drink menu. I have a drink, I have the price, I have the happy hour price, and I have the price now. I know that happy hour is between 3 and 5, and I want this menu to update automatically. I know that these drinks are 20% off during the happy hour. Now we're going to put together a function that shows us the price right now. So equals B6 minus B6 times by 0.2. This will take 20% off, times by left parenthesis, and we're going to put in a logical AND function. This will return to us to a 1 or a 0. And I can put in hour now, and if the hour is less than 18, and if the hour is greater than 15, and with all that in, I can see that the price right now is $6.25. And I can change this just to see if it's working. I can change this to the 24th hour. So between 3 and midnight, the prices are down, and it changes the price to $5. Change that back, 18. And I'm going to use my drag fill handle at the bottom right of this cell, and it'll drag that down, adjust accordingly, and it'll show me the prices. Now I can do something fancy, and I can just say the martini right now is $6.25, and when happy hour comes around, it will change to $5. This is a great way to add the happy hour into your function. Say you wanted a dynamically updated menu. During a certain time, a food is a certain price in order to get people to order at a certain time. I'm Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and we've gone over the hour function in Excel 2016. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. We'll get back to you. If you like this video, please subscribe for other educational content. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.